In 1978, a charismatic preacher convinced over 900 people to drink poison. Willingly. Jim Jones didn't start as a monster. He began as a civil rights activist who preached love and equality, but slowly he isolated his followers, took their money, their passports, their hope. He moved them to a remote jungle compound in Guyana. No phones, no escape, just Jones's voice on loudspeakers 24 hours a day. When Congressman Leo Ryan came to investigate, Jones knew his time was up. On November 18th, Ryan and 4 others were gunned down at the airstrip. Back at the compound, Jones gathered everyone for his final sermon. He called it revolutionary suicide. Parents were forced to squirt cyanide-laced drink into their babies' mouths first, then the children, then themselves. The audio recordings capture it all: crying children, gunshots, Jones calmly directing the murder of his own followers. In less than an hour, 918 people were dead. The most chilling part? Jones had been rehearsing this moment for years.